Did you know that arthritis affects millions worldwide? It's a silent epidemic, slowly eroding the quality of life for so many. I've witnessed firsthand the struggles of countless patients battling joint pain and stiffness. Their stories fuel my passion for finding effective solutions, especially those rooted in natural and holistic healing. Many people believe that a diagnosis of arthritis is a life sentence of pain and immobility. However, this is not the case. There is so much that you can do to support your body's natural healing process. Arthritis is more than just achy joints. It's a degenerative condition affecting the cartilage within our joints. This cartilage, a smooth, flexible tissue, acts as a cushion, allowing for seamless movement. When this cartilage wears down, bones rub against each other, causing pain, inflammation, and stiffness. The good news is that we are not powerless against this condition. There are many things we can do to support our bodies and promote healing. This is where the exciting field of cartilage repair comes into play, offering a beacon of hope for those seeking relief. Imagine a world where we can not only manage arthritis symptoms but also regenerate this vital tissue. This possibility is becoming increasingly real with advancements in medical research and a deeper understanding of natural healing methods. We are on the cusp of a new era in joint health, one where pain and limitations no longer define our lives. This essay is your guide to understanding cartilage repair, exploring both cutting-edge research and time-tested natural remedies. We'll delve into the science, uncover practical strategies, and empower you to take charge of your joint health. It's time to move beyond simply managing symptoms and embrace a future where healthy, pain-free movement is a reality for everyone. Cartilage, the unsung hero of our joints, is a remarkable tissue. It's strong yet flexible, allowing for smooth, pain-free movement. Imagine it as the shock absorber in your car, protecting the delicate framework from constant impact. Similarly, cartilage cushions our bones, preventing them from grinding against each other. This incredible tissue is made up of specialized cells called chondrocytes, embedded in a matrix of collagen and other proteins. Chondrocytes are responsible for maintaining the health and integrity of the cartilage. They produce the building blocks that keep the cartilage strong and resilient. Over time, however, various factors can compromise the health of our cartilage. These factors include age, genetics, injuries, and chronic inflammation. As we age, the natural wear and tear on our joints can take its toll, leading to gradual cartilage degeneration. Genetic predisposition can also make some individuals more susceptible to cartilage problems. Injuries, such as sports-related trauma, can directly damage the cartilage, accelerating the degenerative process. Chronic inflammation, often associated with conditions like osteoarthritis, plays a significant role in cartilage breakdown. This inflammation creates a hostile environment within the joint, further compromising the chondrocytes and hindering cartilage repair. Understanding these factors is crucial for developing effective strategies to protect and regenerate our precious cartilage. The field of cartilage repair is rapidly evolving, offering exciting new possibilities for those suffering from arthritis and other joint conditions. Scientists are making remarkable strides in understanding the complex mechanisms involved in cartilage regeneration. This deeper understanding is paving the way for innovative treatments that go beyond simply managing symptoms. One promising area of research is stem cell therapy. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to differentiate into various cell types, including chondrocytes, the very cells responsible for building and maintaining cartilage. Researchers are exploring ways to harness the power of stem cells to stimulate cartilage regeneration within damaged joints. This could potentially revolutionize the treatment of arthritis, offering a long-term solution for restoring joint health. Another exciting frontier is the development of bioengineered cartilage. Scientists are working on creating artificial cartilage constructs that can be implanted into damaged joints. These bioengineered tissues mimic the properties of natural cartilage, providing a durable and functional replacement. This approach holds immense promise for restoring joint mobility and relieving pain in patients with severe cartilage loss. Alongside these cutting-edge advancements, there is a growing recognition of the importance of natural and holistic approaches to cartilage repair. These methods focus on supporting the body's innate healing capacity, providing the building blocks and environment necessary for cartilage regeneration. We'll explore these natural approaches in more detail in the following sections. Section 4. Natural Approaches. Empowering your body's healing power. Our bodies possess an incredible capacity for self-healing, and cartilage repair is no exception. By harnessing the power of natural remedies, we can provide our bodies with the tools they need to regenerate this vital tissue. These remedies work by reducing inflammation, providing essential nutrients and stimulating the activity of chondrocytes, the cartilage-building cells. One of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories is turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules that contribute to cartilage breakdown. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether through curries, golden milk, or supplements, can help quell joint inflammation and support cartilage health. Another powerful ally in cartilage repair is glucosamine sulfate. This naturally occurring compound is a building block of cartilage, providing the raw materials needed for its repair and maintenance. Studies have shown that glucosamine sulfate supplementation can reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and slow down cartilage degeneration. It's often combined with chondroitin sulfate, another key component of cartilage, for enhanced effectiveness. In addition to these targeted remedies, a holistic approach to nutrition is vital for supporting overall joint health. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids, can help create an environment conducive to cartilage repair. Conversely, processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can exacerbate inflammation and hinder the healing process. Section 5. Lifestyle changes. Moving towards better joint health. Beyond natural remedies, incorporating specific lifestyle changes can significantly impact your joint health and support cartilage repair. These changes focus on reducing stress on the joints, strengthening supporting muscles, and promoting overall well-being. By making these adjustments, you can create a more supportive environment for your body's natural healing processes. One of the most effective ways to alleviate stress on your joints is through weight management. Excess weight puts additional strain on your joints, accelerating cartilage wear and tear. Even a small amount of weight loss can make a noticeable difference in reducing joint pain and improving mobility. Adopting a balanced diet and incorporating regular exercise can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, lessening the burden on your joints. Regular, low-impact exercise is crucial for maintaining joint health and promoting cartilage regeneration. Activities like swimming, cycling, and walking are gentle on the joints while strengthening the surrounding muscles. Stronger muscles provide better support for the joints, reducing stress on the cartilage. Exercise also improves circulation, delivering essential nutrients to the cartilage and aiding in waste removal. Stress management plays a vital role in overall well-being and can indirectly impact joint health. Chronic stress can trigger inflammation throughout the body, including the joints. Engaging in stress-reducing practices like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can help lower inflammation levels and create a more conducive environment for cartilage repair. Section 6. A brighter future. Embracing hope for healthy joints. The journey towards healthy joints and cartilage repair is an ongoing process requiring consistent effort and a holistic approach. By embracing natural remedies, making positive lifestyle changes, and staying informed about the latest medical advancements, you can actively participate in your own healing. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Millions worldwide are seeking solutions for joint health, and together, we can create a future where pain and limitations no longer define our lives. The field of cartilage repair is brimming with possibilities, offering hope for a future where we can not only manage symptoms, but also regenerate this vital tissue. As research progresses and our understanding of natural healing methods deepens, we can expect even more effective and accessible solutions to emerge. This is an exciting time to be proactive about joint health, empowering ourselves with knowledge and taking action to support our body's innate healing capacity. Ultimately, the power to improve your joint health lies within you. By embracing a holistic approach that encompasses natural remedies, lifestyle modifications, and a positive mindset, you can embark on a journey towards greater mobility, reduced pain, and a brighter future free from the limitations of arthritis. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards healthier joints and a more vibrant life.